Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2013 registration BMW X5 3-litre diesel M Sport with Harman wide body conversion. It's a really bespoke car for sale at Russell Jennings and Motorworth. It's one we're really excited to have in stock as well. Covered just over 73,000 by one owner from new. Gentleman known very well to the business. I'm sure you'll agree it's an absolutely stunning vehicle. It's not another one out there like this. Wide body conversion. It's got the M front arches and actually X6 BMW lights as well, so it's a really unusual combination, this one. Harman themselves fitted the kit back when the car was new in 2013. It's been maintained by Russell Jennings Motorworth and BMW at Lloyd's Newcastle. As you can see from here, it's in excellent order, really clean and tidy. It's got a really wide stance. It's got 22-inch alloy wheels with the concave finish on the back, gives it a really aggressive rear. But have a look around here, look at the kit. All Harman badge, so you can see from the front it's got a really wide stance. So if I get down there like that, look up, absolutely stunning. So you've got to the left and right of each of the front bump, you've got the daytime running lights. Big wide stance to the car. Harman badging as well. Now the quality of the kit really is good. It's a good fit as well. Working our way around, got the wide arch along the sides, big chunky sill with the Harman detailing as well, and the wide extensions on the rear falling down into the rear bumper as well. I'm sure you'll agree it's an absolutely stunning vehicle. Harman badging to the rear, and it continues throughout. So when you see this car on the road compared to a normal X5, it really has a bit about it and stands out. So specification wise, we've got the black Shadowline exterior, so there's no chrome on the exterior that you'll see apart from the grille, not around the windows, etc. Gives it a much more stealth-like look. Metallic paint, it's black sapphire, popular BMW colour, personally my favourite for Harman kitted cars. You'll notice the roller blind there, the roller cover, we have got it. I'll just pop that back in the car, but you can see generous boot space. The car has the black Nappa leather upgrade as well, which is really nice, a really smooth leather interior trim. It has sun protection glass, or privacy glass as we often refer to it. See from back, it's a non-smoker interior. It has the aluminium door inlays, and you'll see the Nappa leather. It's 5-seat configuration in this one, so Isofix anchor points for child seats in the rear, but it's a lovely smooth leather, which is an upgrade to the standard leather that comes with X5. Again, electric memory front seats. We've got the pulley there, and let's have a look under the bonnet. And again, you've got the aluminium door cappings there also. The car's available up to 5 years hire purchase, but also we can offer you a lease purchase option on the vehicle. Under the bonnet, all clean and tidy as you'd expect. Performance wise, standard on the car. Let's have a look inside. So we've mentioned the memory front seat. The aluminium trim continues throughout. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift gear change. 73,000 miles, it's actually 73,168 exactly. And you've got the twin armrest there. It has the media package also, and high beam assistant, as well as automatic wipers and lights. So xenon lights. Now, the car comes with 2 keys. Show you them there. It's been maintained by Lloyd's BMW. I can document that, and we have serviced the car as well. They'll get a multi-point check before it goes out to you, the new keeper. We continue to make sure we prepare the car both cosmetically but also to the highest standard mechanically as well. So foot in the brake, start up. It's showing service there to do a brake fluid service, but we'll be doing the rest there when it hits the workshop. So Tiptronic gearbox automatic, we've got electronic handbrake, you've got the multimedia systems controlled from here. Now it has the full satellite navigation, but you'll notice if you look to the top it's showing Kiss Story there. It's actually got DAB radio as well, which is good. So the other thing is you've got CD wise, we've got CD, DVD player, music collection, you can store music on the hard drive, and you've got your Bluetooth audio and other external devices. Really easy system to work, and one I'm a big fan of. Bluetooth telephone preparation, and you can also play your music through it, so what more could you want? Postcode entry, satellite navigation, really good system, and it's one, if you've had a few BMWs, you'll be familiar with it, but great, easy to use. Glove box in there, We've got all the handbook pack there. There's our last service that was done, which was 68517 at our workshop in September. But again, we'll be servicing the car before it goes out. Spotted a couple of other things. Got auto dim rear view mirror. We've mentioned the paddle shift and the multifunction steering wheel. And you've got your park distance control on and off from here. So it's just simply into reverse and it brings up your visual display there as well. So other things, black headlining gives a really sporty look inside. All in good order. Mentioned 2 keys. It's just, this is a bit of an unusual car, and I have to say I'm excited to have it for sale. But if you'd like to stand out from the crowd, come and see it. It's on sale now. Russell Jennings and Motor, www.russelljennings.co.uk. Now we're an independent used car dealer based in Morpeth, Northumberland, just north of Newcastle upon Tyne. So come down and see us. NE61 6JT is the postcode, or pick the phone up 01670 515 055. Just going to show you some of the opening hours. We're open Monday to Friday 9 till 6, and on a Saturday 9:30 till 5. And the telephone numbers you are looking for and web address are up there if you're looking on YouTube or Facebook. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Remember, part exchange is most welcome as well. You can see from this angle now, daytime running lights are on there as well. It really looks fab and well like that. So get in touch. My name's Russell and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks again. Bye for now.